Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and we've got a really cute, very fun little lock here. This is the Ilco Sport-Lok, and this is clearly from the United States, costing a mere $2.70. I'd love to know the date on this. Looking at this almost mid-century design, I'd say that it's likely from the 70s, but brands don't often update their packaging, so it could easily be all the way up to the 1990s. But it's very cool, and it says that this lock, you know, it ties and locks anything with an irregular shape, which is true. Luggage, firearms, golf clubs, animals, yeah, okay. Bicycles, boat skis, and fishing equipment, and you see some pretty cool little pictures there about its dependable security and its convenience to carry. But what actually is it? Well, it's probably the least secure lock you've ever seen in your entire life. Love the enameling on here, but really what you do is you unlock it, and it's clearly a little wafer lock with the very flat bitting, and you unlock it, and then that just exposes this little bar. You take this chain, the kind of thing that you might have on a plug on your sink or your bath, and you just loop it in, lock it up, then you formed a locking loop, and that's it. Clearly it's a little vintage lock. I don't want to break this chain, but I don't think it would take a very strong human being to just pull this apart, or even if you weren't that strong, maybe just use a small twig to twist this off. I mean, it's so weak. It really is exactly what you think this is. This isn't some super high-tech, high-security alien metal. It's exactly what you think. Probably a bit of cheap stainless, or maybe not even that. That's just pinned together on this little flexi bead chain. It's bizarre that somebody would sell this as a security product for literally anything. I wouldn't look up a toy with this, but it is still really cool and a very, very awesome lock to have in the collection. Let's see if we can pick this. So we are in the vise. There is the key. I think it's a 5-wafer lock. Let's make sure I haven't overclamped this and pinched the cord. No, it feels fine. In fact, I shall lock up the chain in here as well. There we go. So I don't know what I'm securing. Maybe I'm securing my vise. I've got a monkey paw pick and just a piece of bent wiper blade to go in the top, and we'll have a go at picking this. Anything that feels like it's binding, just lift it up, and I'm getting counter rotation, which is a good sign. Looks like it might have some little serrations in these wafers, which would add to the security of this lock. You see that as I'm lifting the wafers, it gives me that little touch of counter rotation, and done. So it could just be some poor tolerances in there giving that counter rotation, or it could be some small serrations on the wafers. I'm not entirely sure. Either way, clearly not a super hard lock to pick, but nevertheless a really, really fun little one to have in the collection, and you've got to love this packaging, don't you? Anyway, if you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments about it, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so, and of course I will see you all next time.